Let's take a look now at philosophy scenario 7. Fidencio wants to teach a science lesson that meets a variety of student learning needs. He has a group of Spanish only speaking students, a group of individuals on an IEP that require a slower lesson, and a group that needs a more advanced lesson. To meet their diverse needs, he created three separate Google Slides presentations tailor made to their needs. He searched the Chrome Web Store and installed screencasting extensions. This extension allows him to record his screen, his slides, and voice to make a video that meets each group of students' learning needs. He posted the video lesson in Google Classroom, assigning each video to the respective groups. Where do you go to add screencasting tools to your Chrome browser? So, in this situation here, Fidencio wants to be able to record his screen and his voice to make a video, and so he can make a custom-made video for each group's unique learning needs. So to do so, what you're going to want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store. It's a Google search for the Chrome Web Store. Then here's the first one there. That's your result you want to click on. And then here he's looking for screencasting tools. So a screencast a screencasting tool. Is something that allows you to record your screen, and these can be found for free in the Chrome Web Store. So here we have a lot of different options here. These are examples of extensions. Extensions are the little buttons up here that appear up here on your Chrome browser that allow you to do different things with Chrome here. So we have options here like Screeny, Nimbus Screenshot. These are all examples of screencasting tools that he could add. If he clicks on this one, he can add it to Chrome, and it will allow him to make a video recording his screen and using his microphone to put his voice, do kind of like a voiceover. He can also put his using something like Screeny or any other screencasting tool. You can also embed your use your webcam to embed your camera somewhere in the video as well, so that they can see you while you talk. So all you'd have to do is come here, add to Chrome, add the extension, and take a second to download, and then you'd be able to add it to Google Chrome here. And you'll see this little puzzle piece here. So when you click on the puzzle piece, this shows you all the extensions. If you want it to appear here on the Chrome browser, you have to hit the little pin right there, and now it's able to to be seen and used on Google Chrome. So when you click on it, they usually gives you a little drop down menu and options of how to use this tool. So long story short, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the tool that you need to have a much more dynamic Chrome browsing experience.